How to download Tubebuddy on your Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Tubebuddy on your Chrome in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to extensions right here. This is the Chrome web store. If you didn't find the extension here, you can find it here in the top corner, and then go to more tools and choose extensions, and then click on those three lines, and after that click on open Chrome web store. As you can see, now let's search for Tubebuddy. As you can see, here is it. Click on it. As you can see, there is 1 million users. Now you have to choose add to Chrome and click add extensions, and it will be added in easy fast way. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.